Welcome! If you want to control when X app can use your microphone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the Ask Every Time option for microphone permissions on X app, so you stay in charge of your privacy and only allow access when you want. Let's get started with these simple steps. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the one with the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps, or it might be called App Management depending on your device. This section lists all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look through the list or use the search bar to find X app. Once you spot it, tap on it to open the app's settings page. Here, you'll see an option called Permissions. Go ahead and tap on it. This will display all the permissions X app can request, like access to your camera, contacts, and of course, your microphone. Find Microphone in the list and tap on it. You'll see several options for how the app can access your microphone. To make sure you're always asked before X app uses your microphone, select Ask Every Time. This way, whenever X app needs to use your microphone, you'll get a prompt to allow or deny access in that moment. That's it. With this setting, you're in full control. The next time you use a feature in X app that needs the microphone, your phone will ask for your permission first. If you ever change your mind, you can return to these settings and adjust the permission as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your app permissions and keeping your device secure. Have a great day.